ODM party, the largest party south of Sahara and north of River Limpopo. We have a good candidate, we have a strong candidate, we have a sober candidate, we have a man of his own here who will take care of the Kasipul people. We have our deputy party leader and our national organizing secretary. We have a full house. Actually, SG has arrived, our senator and many others. So please go ahead, Latan.
We'll talk to the candidates.
Nani, songeni hivi. Susan, songa hivi.
We need a tell us about the process. What is your message for
Mas, ambia watu wasonge kamera hiyo.
We came today IEBC, so far so good. They believed in me, elected me to represent them on party ticket, which is ODM. This victory is not made for the people. I'll start this new journey. I'll work together with the people and bring this seat forward for a party. I want to thank our party. They just believed as young people, just open the political space for young leaders to lead. So for our party, I want to thank the party, our party leader.
what's your message as you get to the campaign?
As we start our campaigns, I want to advocate for peace campaigns.
Mas.
We only have one candidate. So
Mas.
peace, let's embrace each other.
Thank you very much. My name is Ahmed Abdullahi, Governor of Nigeria and Chair of Council of Governors. But today I'm here in my capacity as the National Organizing Section of ODM to witness the clearance process for our candidate for Kasipul. We want to advocate for a peaceful election. Najua kushindana na ODM hapa, najua what it is. Sina nayo. Lakini sasa we have to go through process. Naamini candidate yetu kuna nguvu na wale ambao wanapiga mdomo kule. Ongelea juu ya Raila Odinga. They must be grateful to Raila that Kenya is what it is today after Gen Z. Had it not been for him, there will be no Kenya here ya kupiga makelele vile wanapiga makelele. Kwa hivyo mzee tumheshimu na ODM, as Gladys said, is the biggest party south of the Sahara and the north of and ODM itakuwa na unajua ODM hapa iko na watu kutoka Western Masaini. Mimi unajua mimi nimetoka wapi? Boda